8th class student, exercise 6C. Question number 1. 1 is divide. First part is second part here. 36 x y z square by minus 9 xz. You write the with bracket in place of by is divide 9xz and 36 xy z square. Now write the upon 36 xy z square upon minus 9 xyz. Do the factor 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 prime factor of 36 and x into y into z into z minus 1 into 3 into 3x and z. Z by z, x by x, 3 by 3 and 3 by 3 minus divide by 2 to the 4 minus 4 y and z will be after divide. You get question number part number 3. Part number third part is minus 72 x square y square z by minus 12 xyz. You write the in bracket and minus 12 xyz minus 72 x square y square z. Write in upon 72 x square y square z upon minus 12 xyz. Do the factor minus 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 will be factor of the 72 x square right x into x y square right into y and z minus 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 and x into y into z. Z divided by z, y divided by y, x divided by x, 3 divided by 2 divided by or minus 1 divided by minus 1 is plus. After 2 3 जा 6 x y. Third part of question number 1. Fourth part. Fourth part is minus 56 mn p square by 7 mn p. Write the in bracket 7 mn p minus 56 mn p square. Write in upon minus 56 mn p square 7 mn p. Factor is minus 1 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into m into n into p into p. 7 into m into n into p. P divided by p, n divided by n, and m divided by 7 divided by 7 is equal to minus 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 minus and p. Question number 1 is complete. Question number 2 also divide. First question are divide by one term by one term. Second is divide by first part is 5m cube minus 30 m square plus 45m. Divide by 5m. At first write the bracket 5m. 5m cube minus 30m square plus 45m. Write in upon 5m cube minus 30m square plus 45m 5m is equal to m. Write the each term of the numerator. 5m, 5m and 5m. First term is 5m cube. Second term is minus 30m square. Third term is 45m. You can do the factor or 5 divided by 5 power 1 less from the numerator m square minus 6 5 6 ja 30 1 power is less m divided by m, 5 divided by 45 is 9. 9 5 is 45, m square minus 6m plus n plus 9. Second part, it is same. Third part is 9 x square y minus 6xy plus 12 xy square by minus 3xy. That is question. Write in bracket minus 3xy, 9x square y minus 6xy plus 12xy square. Write the upon is 9x square y minus 6xy plus 12xy square minus 3xy minus 3xy minus 3xy is minus 3xy and minus 3xy. First term is 9x square y, 6xy and 12xy square. At first divide by sign, minus divided by plus is minus, 3 3 is 9, x divided by x and y divided by x. After 1 power is remain. Minus divided by minus is plus, 3 2 is 6, x divided by x and y divided by y. Plus minus minus, 3 divided by 12 is 4, x divided by x and y by y. 1 power is remain. Question number 2, third part is complete. Fourth part is 12x power 4 plus 8x cube minus 6x square by minus 2x square. That is question. Write the with bracket 12x power 4 plus 8x cube minus 6x square divided by minus 2x square. Write in fraction from 12x power 4 plus 8x cube minus 6x square upon minus 2x square. Write the separate minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 2x square. First term is 12x power 4, 8x cube 6x square. At first divide by sign plus divide by minus is minus 2 divided by 12 is 6. Power is less 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. X has power 2 plus minus 2 4 ja 8 and after power is minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 minus plus 2 3 ja 6 x square divided by x square minus 6x square minus 4x plus 3 is question number 3. First question and second question is third question is find the remainder. Question number 3 is x square minus 4x plus 4 by x minus 2. At first write the x minus 2 x square minus 4x plus 4. Write the divide x minus 2 and x square minus 4x plus 4. Both are should be standard form. First term divided by first term. X divided by x square is x. Then multiply by both term. X multiply by x is x square. X multiply by 2 is 2x. After multiply, sign will be changed. Plus sign change into minus. Minus change by plus. Minus 4x and plus 2x. After simplify is minus 2x. Last term put this side. First term divided by first term. X divided by minus 2x is 2. 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by x 2x minus plus 2 2 ja 4. Sign will be changed. After sign remainder is 0. Quotient is x minus 2. Question number 3 is complete. Question number 4. Question number 4 is divide by x square x square minus 4 divided by x plus 2. X plus 2 divide x plus 2 x square minus 4. write the x square minus 4 x divided by x is x multiply by x square and multiply by x by 2 is plus 2x. Like term write the just upon 2x after multiply by 2x like term not has expression. Sign will be changed minus minus 2x minus 4 after x divided by minus 2x minus 2 multiply by minus 2x plus minus minus 2 to the 4. Sign will be changed. X minus 2 is. Thank you.